In front of me is TECLAST T60, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select that contact and tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of them, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Move them, and after establishing a perfect list, hit Save at the top right corner. To remove one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!